Hi, it's Dr. Epstein. I'm with a very nice patient he's having a wonderful time getting his beard transplant procedure. He just has, natural, a little bit of thinness of the beard. We're planning on doing around 1,200 graft procedure just to restore density. You can come in here. We've already placed around 700 of the grafts. I'm going to make some more recipient sites. They've all been obtained by the FUE technique. So basically, within 5 days, you're not even going to be able to see the little dots in the back of his head. They'll have healed up. And the way I make the recipient sites is I take a very small blade, a 0.6 millimeter, and you can see the angulation at which I'm placing the recipient sites. And this is going to then go ahead and determine the position, the direction, and the angulation of growth. And what I'm doing is I'm working between his existing hairs. We did do some trimming of the beard area, so we could go ahead and I can see easily the natural direction, but also we can work between his existing hairs. And you can see I'm making these little recipient sites. And then we're going to go ahead and get some more of them filled. And I'm going down to here. Also, if you can hand me a 0.6, another 6, you can give that to me. Thank you. And you can see that there's no pattern to this. I'm basically looking for open slots. And I'm making them right here. Now, these beard procedures we do on a regular basis, several of them a week. Most patients do come to us from out of town. And the key thing to getting a natural appearing result is not to have just a single line, but to make this a little bit irregular. So in little areas, I'm making a little more dense than others. And you can see the recipient sites being made. And into these 0.6 millimeter recipient sites are going to go grafts. Most of them are 2 hairs. Some have 1, especially along the top. And we do place the occasional 3-hair graft if they're thin and someone like him who has relatively fine hair. Anyway, a procedure like this to do 1,200 grafts takes around 6 to 7 hours. It's a lot of delicate work, as you can see. Each graft is not just harvested, but it's actually dissected down to make sure that the grafts don't have a lot of excess skin, and so that when they're placed, they can then lay natural. Anyway, this is Dr. Epstein with a patient doing a beard transplant around 1,200 FUE grafts to the beard. Thank you very much.